Okay guys, hey, I just wanted to show you something really quick. I actually pulled this out of a vehicle, and if you do not have a replacement zip tie, this is the style that pushes through and has the back lock here like this. If you don't have a replacement, don't worry, there's a way to fix this, and I'll show you how. All right, so this holds your wire loom in place, so it wraps around, and a lot of times these things break whenever you're touching or grabbing the wire loom. It usually pops apart. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab a hold of the one end here, right down here, a pair of pliers, whatever, pull it out, just like that. And then what you're gonna do is feed your new one. If you get just a regular zip tie, you can pick these up at any hardware store. And what you're gonna do, just feed it back through. And there you go. That's how easy it is to fix these.